this is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I found something interesting on the website swling.com, which has 2 or 3 posts every day about things happening in the area of shortwave listening. And you can sign up and get them to send you an email when something new has been posted. So yesterday I got an email about this particular item, and what it is, it's a radio, a pseudo radio on the internet that you can connect to, and then it has a database of radio stations throughout the world. Let me just show it to you. And so you come to here, here's a brief article about it, and you click on here to check it out. So I'm going to click on that. There it is. So this is now kind of a virtual radio that this gentleman has set up. And he has a database of radios. Now, unfortunately, I've been asking him since yesterday, can we get a listing of the ones that you've set up, the database? Because otherwise, you're just going to have to randomly look through it. Now, let me go to the page that I had already opened up. Let me close this one. This is the one I've been using. Okay, so the database is numbered from this number up to 9999. And he does that so that it's consistently 6 digits. Unfortunately, like I say, he hasn't provided a listing of what all the stations are, because you're just going through the database by number. And you can click up and down here to go through the database, or you can just hit random and it will pick a random number there and show you the station. Or you can plug in via the keyboard here a number of a station. But without that listing, you don't know what the number is unless you've gone through it manually. So I'm hoping he'll post a listing of his database. Also, you can come down here, and when you get to one you like, you can save it down here, and then you have a listing of your own. And it saves this. So the next time you log on to this website, that listing is there. So I've saved a couple of them just for example. And if you got one in there you don't want, you can delete it. So like for instance, I could pick on this one. I can pick this one and I can say load, and it loads that particular radio on the internet. And these are, these are radios that are on the internet. Now, I've shown you other ways to get to this, but this is kind of a nice interface. I wish you would give us the database though, because otherwise you're just clicking here or up here or random, and you're going through it manually. And it's stations on the internet. So there's a lot of them that are FM throughout the world. Some of them take a few seconds to load. Other ones were right away. So this is, for instance, this is 95.1 FM in Mexico. And it's in the database, it's this number right here. So I can put in like 1 4 5 5 5 5 and then hit the return, and it should go to there. I don't know why it didn't. Don't know why it didn't go there. It went back to the one I had before. Okay, I'm learning how to use this. He has just released this as of yesterday. So he's doing updates to it. You can click here and learn more about it. So I'm going to just do that right now. So here's the website, and it tells you about the program. It says he's got over 40,000 stations. Maybe that number I put in was too high. It's free. Nothing to install. It's all via your browser. Here's a screen. Tells you what all the various things are. Now, another thing I can do, let me go back. Oh, I'll show you this first. Free, it's free, start listing. Okay. Another thing I could do is let me put in first number. Well, I can do it right here because I got that one saved. So that's the first one. And I'll load that. So now I'm at 1 million. I'll let it load. Some of them load instantly. Some of them take a few seconds to load.
Screens. There's a frailty to how he moves. Our meeting
Okay.
is really a big deal.
We can mute it, and then this is the volume control right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go backwards. So that should give me the highest number in the database. See, there's my mistake. The highest number he has in the database is this. So that's why the number I put in, it was too high. So this is how many entries he has from 1 million to this right here. Or actually, that's 100,000, right? Yeah, that's 100,000. I'd say this is power on and off. You can turn it on and off. You can, I can save this one. And now it should be in my listing. Yes, it is right there. So now I can create my own listing by going through this database and finding the ones I want. Like I say, I'm hoping he will post a listing of what's in here. Otherwise, he's going to have to manually click through this and find it. But throughout the world, various frequencies. Like I say, these are, these are stations that you can manually go to on the internet, but this makes it so much easier. So I thought I'd show this to you. Let me go back to this. I thought this is the website explaining it. If you just go to RadioSide.com, this will tell you in general about it. So you can run it like, here it shows running it on a cell phone using a web browser on your cell phone. Pretty neat. Like I say, he just released this, so I'm sure he's going to add features to it. And if you have any comments about it, features you'd like to see, please let us know. I am now in contact with him via this website right here, SWING. I posted some comments somewhere here. There's one right there. At first, I had a problem with the volume being super loud. And I didn't have very good control. So within an hour, he fixed it. So, his name is Alex. That's what I was looking for, Alex. So check it out. I think you'll like it. Let us know what you think. Have a great day. Bye-bye.